Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to allow replying to your Facebook page stories on PC using the latest Facebook update. If you want to boost engagement and make it easy for your followers to interact with your stories, this is the setting you need to enable. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages your page. Next, look at the top right corner of the Facebook homepage. Click on your profile photo. This will open a menu where you'll see all the pages you manage. Now select the page where you want to allow replies to stories. Click on the page's profile photo to enter the page itself. Once you're on your page, look for the menu on the left side. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. A new section will appear. Click on Settings to continue. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on Stories. This is where you can control all the options related to your page stories. Look for the option that says Allow followers to reply to your stories. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Click to enable this feature. Once it's turned on, your followers will be able to reply to any story you post from your page. That's it. You've now enabled replies for your Facebook page stories. This simple change helps you connect better with your audience, making it easier for them to share their thoughts, reactions, and questions directly through your stories. Remember, engaging with your followers through stories can increase your page's reach and build a stronger community. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips for growing your Facebook presence.